In the previous video, we've covered some of the best short-term ways to make extra cash. It's time to explore several long-term strategies to earn money online. Unlike the previous section, the money-making ideas in the following list require some initial investment of time and in some cases money. Even so, they are worth considering if you want to expand your skills and work portfolio. Welcome back to Make Money Web. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated when we release new videos. Without further delay, let's dive in. Number 5. Make money blogging. Blogging is an excellent way for avid writers to earn a source of income. Many people start a blog to share insights, express views, and establish brands. Some popular blogs are Say Yes and Anywhere We Roam. You can start a blog about any topic. Researching popular blog ideas can help you find a profitable niche. Some blog niche examples include travel blogs, food blogs, and book blogs. The most common ways to make money blogging are through advertising, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, and selling products. To have a profitable blog, find a niche and build your audience by consistently posting content, implementing successful marketing and search engine optimization. SEO strategies is also important. Number 4. Open a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a B2C business model where people sell products via an online store using a third-party supplier to process and fulfill orders. It's easier than running a standard e-commerce store since opening a dropshipping store doesn't involve the hassle of dealing with inventory and shipping. Starting a dropshipping store is similar to creating a regular online store. It involves choosing a niche and e-commerce platform. The main difference is that dropshippers have to find the perfect supplier, too. In other words, supplier quality can make or break the business. To help you get started, here are some websites that help you connect with reliable suppliers. Spocket. Choose from thousands of suppliers worldwide and enjoy easy integration with platforms like WooCommerce and Shopify. Modalist. Curate your online store with products from different global suppliers and use the platform's profit calculator to set prices. SaleWho. Browse through thousands of vetted suppliers in different product categories and explore its community forum for dropshipping tips and tricks. Number 3. Create an online course. The global e-learning market is projected to reach $336.98 billion by 2026. If you excel in a particular subject and enjoy curating learning material, it's an excellent time to enter the online course market. Digital courses come in different formats, from simple PDF downloads to videos. Popular online course topics include computer skills, health and wellness, business and entrepreneurship, finance and investing, and personal development. There are two main ways to make money online by selling digital courses: by joining an e-learning platform or creating an e-learning website. The former is easier to do, but the latter provides more opportunities to experiment with different formats and monetization methods. You can create an e-learning website with a WordPress LMS plugin. Then, sell online courses as digital products or create a membership system to lock them behind a paywall. If you want to try out a few e-learning platforms before creating an e-learning site, consider the following. Udemy provides courses, quizzes, coding exercises, and discussion forums on various topics. Skillshare, excellent for selling courses on digital art and creative skills. Teachable, create unlimited courses using any of its paid plans. Creators can also apply to have their courses and live events featured on Spotlight, an e-learning marketplace powered by Teachable and Hotmart. Podia, a platform for selling online courses, digital downloads, and membership subscriptions. Users can create standalone or drip courses. They can also group similar courses and market them as a bundle. Number 2. Tutor students online. If selling digital courses isn't your thing, but you're still interested in teaching, consider becoming an online tutor. Many students today actively look for remote lessons. Independent tutors often offer their services via video communication apps like Zoom and Skype and accept payments via PayPal. Make money by giving on-demand lessons and providing personalized feedback. You will create lesson plans, learning modules, and keep track of the student's progress. Make sure to evaluate your expertise when choosing a topic to teach. Popular tutoring subjects include math, languages, and computer science. Consider obtaining certification to enhance your credibility as an online tutor and improve rates. And before giving live lessons, set up a strong internet connection to ensure smooth video communication. When ready, create a website or join an online tutoring platform to promote your services. Here are 4 popular platforms for people interested in the online tutoring business. Schooly. Schedule lessons in advance or accept them whenever you're online. TutorMe. Connect students with tutors based on their needs and preferences. Tutor.com. Offers tutors based in the United States the opportunity to teach 250+ subjects to students of varying ages and education levels. Reply. Teach different languages and set custom rates for your services. Number 1. Buy and flip websites. The process of buying and selling websites is relatively simple. After purchasing a site, optimize its content for search engines, generate revenue, and sell it for a profit. It's an ideal money-making project for anyone who enjoys website design, improving SEO, and curating a great user experience. Not all websites have future value, so knowing which ones to buy and invest time in is essential. A good rule of thumb is picking the ones already generating revenue and traffic. Moreover, websites with a popular niche and a premium domain name are easier to sell at higher prices. Here are a few marketplaces for finding websites to purchase. Flippa offers a wide range of niche websites with a global network of buyers and sellers. Litonas promotes websites and online stores no younger than a year. Empire Flippers sells profitable websites with a wide range of monthly revenues, from hundreds to hundreds of thousands of dollars. There are some factors to consider to avoid making a bad website investment. The first is to ask for a proof of concept, revenue report, and the site's current monetization methods. Then, check the volume and source of its traffic. These are good indicators of a website's potential. It's also a good idea to ask about existing site issues and verify why the original website owner is selling it in the first place. Finally, double-check the seller's background and avoid buying sites from anonymous brokers. That's all I have for you guys for today. If you liked watching this video, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so that you may be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.